Hello students, and welcome to the next module of the Bootstrap coding. In this video series we are looking at how we can create different controls using the Bootstrap, and in this module, which is the module 21st, we are going to cover the navigation or the nav. Now when we use this nav, they are normally created in order to have a navigation bar, and you can have different text on this navigation bars. Normally we use it on the top of the page, but again it can be used anywhere. The basic application is on the top of the page, so we might have different text here, and on this different text we can, if whenever we click, we can see the information. So what I'm going to actually show you is now the different classes which are used in this particular module itself. So let's go back to our page. So different classes which we will be using here are the very parent one, which is the nav. We will have the other one, which is the nav link, and we have got the nav item. So these are the three classes, please remember, we'll be using whenever you want to implement the nav module. So now let me show you the practical application of navs. Let us open the code and we will see how we can create. I've got the basic JavaScript code written, in which I am actually embedding the Bootstrap code. I've got a div class which is the container, and a heading which says let us learn the navigation menus, and what we will be learning in this is a horizontal menu. Okay, so again, like in HTML, we have used the concept of unordered and ordered list. We will be creating a UL class, and in this UL class we will be using a nav, and inside this we will have a li. Li is another class, and we've got this class as nav item. Okay, we'll be using this nav item, and then post this whatever you want to put inside the navigation. Let's say there was a tag which says Java, any information that you want to give, basically any information, that information will come inside the nav text. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the implementation, and we'll see how the navigations are used. We will also at the end of this module save this and see the output. Okay, so I'm going to save this page and probably locate for the output file, but before that you can see I've got, as I already explained, different text inside your navigation bar. If you want that a particular link should be disabled, you will be using the nav link and a property or an attribute called as a disabled one. Alright, so what we are going to do now is locate for the HTML file, and then we'll compare what is the output and the input. So you can see that when I open this text page, is it responsive? Well, that's the very first thing we need to look at. Yes, very much responsive. And we can also see that the different texts that we gave, text 1, 2, 3, they are all here. There is also a disabled menu. If I click on it, obviously nothing happens, as the word disabled means. And these are not taking me anywhere because of the hashes we are using. But when you actually use it in your live projects, you can give the path where you want to send this particular control, as soon as you click on the text one. So I hope the module of creating navs is clear. Stay tuned with me, don't go away, because in the next module we will be covering the concept of nav bars. Thank you so much for joining, and take care. Goodbye.